celebrate morning, my friend. Salam. I am Aisha. Eid is all about family, charity, and delicious sweets. We invite you to join us on our journey through the tapestry of the vibrant community.
The thing that we can't do at home, right? Because it's in the team spirit and the team activity and how you collaborate with others, right? So this is something that both my kids are learning and they are doing very well.